Have you ever wondered what it's like to visit an English countryside village? Picture a serene oasis of charm and beauty, where history and tranquility interweave with picturesque landscapes. Imagine quaint cottages, medieval churches, and cozy pubs, nestled amidst rolling hills, lush valleys, and meandering rivers. Visualize vibrant communities where tradition and camaraderie flourish. This is the essence of English countryside villages, each a unique gem waiting to be discovered. So, join us on this journey as we explore the timeless charm of 10 villages in the English countryside. Imagine walking on cobblestone streets, lined with centuries-old houses. Picture yourself strolling past thatched cottages, their roofs seeming to blend seamlessly with the landscape, and medieval churches, their ancient stones whispering tales of time gone by. Feel the cool shade of leafy trees as you traverse the village greens, the heart and soul of these rural communities. Step into a cozy pub, where laughter and banter echo amidst the clink of pint glasses. Feel the warmth of a crackling fire, smell the mouth-watering aroma of a traditional Sunday roast. Here, camaraderie isn't just a word, it's a way of life. Engage in local festivals, vibrant and filled with joy, or perhaps find serenity in the simple pleasures of a quiet afternoon tea. Each interaction, each shared smile adds a thread to the rich tapestry of village life. The charm of English villages lies not just in their quaint architecture and scenic landscapes, but in the warm hearts of the locals. Each village in the English countryside has its own unique character and charm. First up, we have Stratford-upon-Avon, the birthplace of William Shakespeare, where the air is thick with literary heritage. Meandering through the Tudor-style houses and visiting the famous Royal Shakespeare Theatre is like stepping back in time. Next, we venture to the Cotswolds, where the honey-hued stone of Bourton-on-the-Water and Chipping-Campden radiates an enchanting glow. These villages are perfect for those who enjoy leisurely strolls along the river and picnics in the sun. We then journey to Castle Combe, often hailed as the prettiest village in England. Its quaint charm lies in its preserved medieval character, complete with a 14th-century market cross and an old water pump. Further west, we find ourselves in Clovelly, a unique fishing village in North Devon. Its steep cobbled streets and charming harbor offer an authentic glimpse into a bygone era. In the heart of the Lake District, Hawkshead captures the imagination with its whitewashed houses, narrow alleyways, and links to Beatrix Potter, the beloved author of Peter Rabbit. Whitby, on the rugged coastline of Yorkshire, boasts a rich maritime history. Its atmospheric abbey ruins and winding streets have inspired many, including Bram Stoker, author of Dracula. In the rolling hills of Sussex, Alfriston charms visitors with its traditional thatched cottages and the tranquil Cockmere River, while Rye in East Sussex is a medieval gem with cobbled lanes and timbered houses. Heading into Suffolk, we discover Lavenham, one of England's best-preserved medieval villages, with its crooked, half-timbered houses and the magnificent Church of St. Peter and St. Paul. Last but not least, we find ourselves in Share, Surrey, a village so picturesque it's been the backdrop for numerous films. Its traditional English charm and beautiful surrounding countryside make it a must-visit. These are just a few of the hidden gems that await travelers in the heart of rural England. Now that you're enchanted by the charm of these villages, you might be wondering how to plan your own countryside getaway. A trip to the English countryside is a journey into a world of tranquility, beauty, and rich history. To start with, look for a charming bed and breakfast that will serve as your home base during your stay. These cozy accommodations often provide a hearty English breakfast and a wealth of local knowledge to help you discover the hidden gems of the village. Next, map out a few scenic walks or hikes in the area. The English countryside is crisscrossed with walking trails that meander through rolling hills, lush valleys, and along picturesque riverbanks. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Exploring local attractions is a must. From medieval churches to centuries-old pubs, each village has its unique landmarks that tell a story of its history and culture. And don't forget to check out the local bakery for a taste of traditional English pastries. Lastly, be open to serendipity. Some of the best experiences in these villages come from unplanned moments, like stumbling upon a local fair, engaging in friendly banter with the locals at the pub, or simply soaking in the tranquil charm of the village green. With a bit of planning and an adventurous spirit, you too can experience the timeless beauty and quaint charm of the English countryside.